Hello everybody, I'm back with another video. It's your boy GTAK143, and today we are going to be I'm not going to be learning, but I'm going to be teaching you guys how to install callouts. Now we're going to be scrolling through the scripts and plugins things too, just to see if we can get some more, but for right now we're going to install this K9 callouts because we might end up doing a video with it. So I want to take a shout out to the owner, of course, of lspdfr, and shout out him by Sam. I want to thank you so much for making lspdfr. Also, at Alex, I want to thank you so much for making uh, EP, because even though the uniforms at first were like regular, we used to wear the regular uniforms, but now we were realistic uniforms, so I really appreciate it. And then for you, ELS, thank you, because without you, we really wouldn't have custom lights and stuff. So I want to thank all of the creators on here, not only popular, but just simple creators. Like, I wouldn't say I'm a super creator because I don't create anything yet, but Terrace callouts pack. I'm not gonna get C manager. It's not really terrace, but I want to do something else. Let's do this. Why not? I'm gonna let you guys know this right now. This is after the stream, so I know this is gonna get dropped after the stream because it was after the stream. So yeah. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways you can do this. Right now, you can leave those. There's a lot of different ways you could do this. Ignore this. This is just my controller. Let's actually just turn that off. You could go in your Steam. You could go to the library. You could go to GTA 5, manage. You go browse local files, or you could do this. Go to Acer, whatever your thing is. Go to this. Scroll down till you see Steam. Then you can go down to Steam apps. You're gonna go to Common. You're gonna go to GTA 5, and then here's it is. And then now what you're gonna do is open up your plugins folder, your lspdfr folder, and here's all your plugins and callouts. Now I'm gonna go back to here because most likely some people are kindness enough to just make his life easy. So let's see if I can do an example of one of these. K9 callouts, and this is what I'm saying right here. Some people make it easier to do this. So you can just take plugins folder, drop it in there. Take lspdfr, drop it in there. Take Rage Native, and I'm gonna compare both of these and see which one is newer. No matter if it's like, so 2000, the ones that's already in here from K9 calls is from 2020, and the one I already have in here is from 2018. So we're gonna continue this trade. Boom, done. Sorry, it's installed. Now we could just go to plugins, lspdfr, K9 calls, and then there'll be some other stuff in here where it is what's already in there, whatever, blah blah blah. And then we're gonna go here, open this one up. Go same thing here. Everything you can just drag it and just boom. They're already installed. Plugins, lspdfr, and it's gonna be, I believe, right there. We'll install body cam just so you guys can get more understanding on how to install things through main directory instead of oh crap, I just dropped my mouse. I don't know how I meant to do that. Jesus Christ. And I dropped